All right, boys and girls, we're here for another letter boot camp. Today we're going to do what sound, what sound, what sound, how do I write in? All right, so we're looking for pictures whose first sound or beginning sound start like Norad. I could put my picture on there today because Norad, my last name Norad, starts with for N. Alright, my first picture is something you use in sewing, and it's called a needle. 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 Alright, tell me yes or no. Should I put that on there for N? Does it start like N? Everybody answer. Yes, it does. So we're going to move it in there. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write in? Needle, N, E, E, D, L, E, needle. My next picture next to it is milk. Milk. Does milk start like Listen carefully. One is for milk, and one is for needle, or N for Norad. Alright, that's a tricky one, but no, we do not want it for milk. That's an M. My next picture is nail. Nail. Does nail start like Yes or no? Yes, it does. So I'm going to move nail into our chart. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write N? Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Alright, my next picture is mouse. Mouse. Does mouse start like No, it does not, so let's move it down. Alright, what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write N? This is a picture of a nut. A nut. Nut. Something you eat. Nut. Would nut start like Yes or no? Yes, so let's move it into our circle map. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write in? Nut. N-U-T. Nut. Alright, let's go to our next picture over here. Necklace. Necklace. Does necklace start like Yes or no? Yes, it does. So we're going to move it in. We do want it. Necklace. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write in? Necklace. N. E. C. K. L. A. C. E. Necklace. Let's read our picture so far. Start at the top with needle. Repeat after me. Needle. Nail. Nut. Necklace. Good. Alright, let's look over here. I have the picture moon. Moon. Do we want to add moon to our circle map for No, we do not. That starts like for M. They're close sounds, but listen carefully. No, we do not. My next picture is nose. So silly. Nose. Does nose start like Yes or no? Yes, good job. Nose. Nose. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write in? N. O. S. E. Nose. Alright, this next picture I have is noodles. They look like macaroni, but we're going to call them noodles. 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 Do noodles start with Yes or no? Yes. Let's move noodles into our circle map. Noodles. What sound? Say it with me. What sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write N? Noodles. N. Oop, I can do a better N than that. Let me try again. Noodles. 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 All right, my last picture is a type of blanket called a quilt. Quilt. Would quilt go on my circle map for Does quilt start like No, it does not. So I'm going to move it to the bottom. All right, everybody, what sound? What sound? What sound? How do I write N? Let's read our picture. Start with needle. Repeat after me. Needle, nail, nut, necklace, nose, noodles. Alright, and I could put you on the map today for Norad. So I'll just write my name on there. Norad. N-O. Ooh, that's not a very good one. Let's try that again. N-O-R-R-O-D. Norad. Can you think of anything else that starts like Tell your learning coach or your parent at home if you can think of something different that starts like that we haven't put on our chart yet. Bye, boys and girls.